horse was called Bonnie, and she was quite a sweet horse. You want to tell them about your horse?
My horse was called Lily May. She was a bit difficult.
We're going to check out the town. What the hell is up, everybody? We are in the Fiordland National Park. We were in Queenstown, but we've driven nearly 3 hours to get here. We're on our way to Milford Sound. The road is opening theoretically in 10 minutes. And then we're gonna finally do our 2-hour boat cruise in the fucking Milford Sound Lake. And I'm pretty excited. It's taken a long time to get here, but we're here. I'm feeling good. Life's good. We're in the national park. It's quite lovely. There's a lot of trees. It's very natural. Lots of nature. Get excited.
Look, I'm keen to not be in this car.
There's a lot of driving today.
But we'll be in this car for 6 hours today, so...
Longer. Honestly, it's closer to 8 hours. But look at that. Show the people that. Show the people. I'm going to try and wind it down a little bit. I mean, that's incredible. You know what I mean? You can't ride that shit. Under a mountain. Ooh, I love going under a mountain. We are in the midst of the Milford Sound National Park, and it is incredible.
What is that? It's pretty fucking cool.
I think we're close to the actual lake. Magical is what it is. Just this drive alone has been amazing.
I think we'll be there soon.
This could be my favorite place on earth. This place is incredible. Christmas. So we've just been at Milford Sound and it was absolutely mesmerizing. And now it's snowing. We're on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world. Hey. Wow.
My goodness. snowing. We are in Arrowtown, and it's quite like, I don't know, like Western saloon, medieval kind of village. What do we think of the taco?
It's really cool.
Oh!
What's going on? Oh!
So we just arrived in Wanaka. This Airbnb is immaculate. Definitely the best place we've stayed. Come check this out. Okay. So, okay, let's start off simple. I mean, like, look at that view. Just from the front door. Sorry.
This is what we've been grinding for.
And then if you just step inside, little two-person seater, comfy ass couch, just a lovely room with some lovely photos. Again, just less is more, I think. Bathroom. Oh my god, I mean, look at that, it's gorgeous. We've been staying in hostels, so this is nice.
I actually booked this like with that in mind.
Yeah, we did.
Kind of. Okay.
So apparently this is a big thing in New Zealand. Mussels.
Out of the shell in like a jar.
Green shell mussels with lime and coriander. That's really good.
If you didn't like oysters or mussels, obviously you'd hate it, but
That was great.
that like tanginess of the lime is really good.
I would give these. Look, I think there's something to say, like, the feeling of, you know, getting the thing out of the oyster is awesome. This is pretty good. It's wavering between a 7 and an 8 out of 10.
Enjoyed. This is good. There's no well, I mean, this would go in the sink if I had a sink.
What's going on, guys? We're in Wanaka, and we are on our way to a lake. I don't know what the name of the lake is, but there is a sauna next to it called the Secret Sauna, which was recommended to me by a friend who lives in New Zealand. And yeah, we're gonna go to the sauna, and then I'm personally gonna jump into the lake after the sauna. And maybe there's some salmon farming in the region, which we were considering checking out, which involves catching, killing, cooking, and eating your own salmon, which I don't think we're going to do because some of us don't want to do it. Learn the whole...
We also have no money, so that's, you know...
We're low on money,
we have no
but
money.
We're high on spirit.
Exactly, and that's why we're enjoying the surroundings.
Speaking
and
of
not the killing.
Speaking of the surroundings, did I just kill another bird?
What?
No,
I didn't feel anything.
Okay, I think it flew away last second.
There was no bump. Max killed a bird yesterday.
I killed a fucking bird yesterday.
And there were a few tears. There were a few kind of...
It was a long silence.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was going just the speed limit, and it just flew under my car, under the wheel. I looked out the back, and there was like an explosion of feathers.
I didn't see any of this.
Which was awful, and I felt really bad.
Yeah.
How the hell? Welcome to Lake Hawea. We're taking a video. We have done the secret sauna.
Sauna, lunch. Sauna,
Lunch. Sauna, lunch. Fuck out.
I want a whole melon. I just want a little bit of citrus.
Yeah, I'll tell you that